Hi, this is Dave for ExpertVillage. Today we're going to make some steaks with Brandied Mushroom Sauce. Okay, now it's time to cook down a little bit, just kind of sweat our onions or our shallots. So what we want to do is put about a third of a stick of butter, 3 tablespoons, into your pan. Get that going. On high heat would be fine just to start with, just to get your butter melting. Let that coat the bottom of the pan, and you don't even have to wait. You can actually add, in this case, onions, but like I said, shallots will do. It's about a cup of onions. Put that aside, and then these are reconstituted shiitake mushrooms. As you see, they're kind of nice and juicy again here. And what we want to do is cook these down, probably over medium-high heat, for about 10 minutes or so, until the onions are translucent, and then we'll be able to continue with our recipe. I forgot to tell you before we did this step, you want to just strain the liquid out of the mushrooms. The porcini is going to have this beautiful, beautiful flavor to it, so you want to take that out before you put your porcinis in with your onions and your butter, and this will be a great step later on. You'll see how that works.